Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, guess what? I have a nice unboxing for you guys, and this time it's of a wireless headset. And of course this is a wireless headset with a difference. And check it out. It is the as you can see here, it is the Crazybaby Nano 1S, and it's a true wireless headphone or headphones. All right, and of course I want to thank the guys over at Crazybaby for sending me this device. Now a little bit of information about this particular device. Of course, as you can see here on the package, you have the preview of the product. It comes in several colors. You can pick it up in, of course, classic black, white, coral pink, gold, or blue. All right, and of course I opted for the white version. So as I said, this was sent to me free of cost, and of course I'll be reviewing this device here for you guys on the channel. And of course, from time to time companies do send products over for review. So of course, if you're a particular company and you're interested in sending over a device, you can go ahead and check us out. You can find our information over on the website or on the main page of this website, which is the main YouTube channel page. All right, with that being said guys, first of all, I just want to say that I very much like this product. You can check it out on Amazon. I'll show you the preview of what it looks like on Amazon. So as you can see here guys, this is the product itself, right? And you can actually pick this up for $100+, and you can see here that it is chock full of features and it's come highly rated. Now another thing you must notice guys too, this is actually the 1S version. There was a previous version, so this is the updated version with all the latest premium features. So the people at Crazybaby have actually learned from their past mistakes and they have made the product better than ever. And as you can see, it has the Amazon choice branding right there. And of course you can check out the price. It's $100 and this basically is similar in design and functionality to a AirPod from Apple. Alright, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Now back to the main product itself. So as you can see here guys, it's the white box. Great packaging, nothing on the sides. You can see a breakout tab right here at the top. Nice. And of course the barcode information on the base, nothing on this side. Now on the back of the device here guys, you can read more about the product. It says new colors in every day, and you see a white preview, and it says right here guys, I'll read it out for you in various languages. It says True Wireless Bluetooth 5.0. so therefore this supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is the latest standard in Bluetooth technology. There's also 15-hour battery life with the capsule, and I think it's 5 hours you'll get straight from playing the device. And of course the capsule itself can charge the device twice, and that's a nice handy feature. So you can charge a capsule and then it charges your device again. And of course it says embedded microphone. That's great. And of course it's comfortable fit for your ears, and it shows you the connectivity here, and it says what's inside of the box. You have the headsets themselves, which is the Nano 1S True Wireless Headphones. There's a silicone ear tips, small, medium and large, a charge cable, and USB-C to USB charge cable. And of course that comes standard. Now let's go ahead and open this up. This is a brand new device, and guys, let's just get this out of the box. Quite easy to unbox. Everything comes off quite easily, and here you have the device itself. Now to open this up, I'll probably have to slide this out. So let me just figure this out in a minute. And I'm just going to push this from the side. Okay, there we go. And here you go. And wow, I must say guys, I'm very impressed. This is what it looks like when it's slid out of the box. So this is the Nano 1S, and you can see this is just a white filler box that comes out quite easily. Great packaging and presentation. Reminds me a lot of a Apple device. Alright guys, let's continue with the unboxing. So right away I'm just going to remove this plastic tab right here, and of course if you look at the head here, there is actually another tab. So I'm just going to try to get the product out, and you can see there is a safety tab right here to make sure that this is only opened, and if it's opened it will actually display and show that it was opened before. And of course once you do that, it comes right off, and great plastic work. Wow. And of course the device itself is quite larger than you might seem on the preview, and I'm just going to use the tab right here, and once I pull this, it comes right out. And this reminds me of a pill of sorts. It's quite weighty in the hand, not overly weighty, but just enough that you'll notice that it's there. I'm just gonna catch this right here for a second, and of course if I remove this, and of course again guys, great presentation on the unboxing, much like an Apple device again. And you can just go ahead, as you can see, everything comes quite packaged up neatly right here. So let me just focus on the main device, and it says quick start guide, and the quick start guide is just to help you to be familiar with your product. I guess it will run you through the features and so on. So I'm just going to put this aside, and again, great presentation, and much like Apple devices if you have never seen one. And again, I'll remove this section right here again, and here you can find the USB cable, which is just a breakout cable, and it will charge the device just like an Apple connector, except it's USB type C, but the design resembles Apple devices. So I'm gonna put this right there, and for this, what I'm gonna do guys is just look out for the other sections right here, which is just to unfold, and you can see the tips, and these are to adjust to your ear size. So I'm just gonna close this down, or I could just give you a better look so you can check it out yourself. All right, so I'm just gonna close this up again, remove this sticky tape. All right, and last but not least guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see how this actually opens up. So let's just remove this for the pill, and it peels right off. And once we have this, you can see here it will actually charge from this end over here. So all you gotta do is just plug this in as seen here. So you just place the USB type C. It can be turned either way, and once you do that, just simply go ahead and place this all the way in. This little plastic can actually be removed. It's quite easy. This can work for Apple devices, and I should think it works for Android devices as well. And this will plug into a laptop or a wall outlet. And to open up this device, simply go ahead and pull, and once you pull, it will come all the way out just like this, and there you have the headset itself. It separates quite nicely, and all you gotta do again right here guys is just simply remove the AirPods. Alright, and of course there's a contact point right there. It makes contact right here to this magnetic section, so once you place this in, it will actually just cradle itself quite nicely. And of course guys, if I were to plug this in, it should start to charge. Alright, I'm not sure what state these come in, but of course again I'll try to see in a minute if they're actually charged. Alright, so I'm going to put this up to the computer and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so here we have the Crazybaby Nano 1S, and as you can see it's charging right now. And just to note, you can notice the LED just around here. It will take a while to charge, and of course it's just the unboxing. I'll have the full review later on. Just a few things guys. First of all, you have to actually remove the both earpieces, and actually remove a plastic before placing them back into place, or it will not charge. And of course it take a little while to charge. Once it's charged, the light should go out on this side, and of course it's just charging to the regular port, or you can charge it at the wall. So far so good. Great presentation, great looking product. I only hope now that it actually works as shown. So what I'll be doing in a while is doing a follow-up video with the full review where I run you through the product itself. And of course now you know what the product looks like and everything that's included on the inside of the box. And of course it's recorded from Blog Tech Tips. You can click below in the link in the description, and you'll be taken over to the full review along with the product where you can actually purchase. Thanks again to Crazybaby for sending over the Nano 1S for a review. And so far I give it a thumbs up in terms of presentation and unboxing. Check out the full review next.